Hi guys, in today's video, I will be showcasing you how to change the home screen layout on your Galaxy A37 5G. Now the first thing which you need to do is to open up your setting and then you wanted to scroll down and select home screen. From here, tap on option home screen layout. Then you can see that two layout options available. You have the home and the app screen, which is the default setting. So this is why you have the home screen like this, and whenever you swipe up you have the access to all apps on the screen. Then you also have the option of home screen only. When you tap on that, all the apps that are currently in the app drawer will be moved to the home screen. So if you want to see how it looks like, ensure that you have selected it and then you tap on apply. Once you have done that, you will notice that whenever you go to your home screen and you swipe up to access the app drawer, all it will do is just bringing on the search functions. So if you wanted to view other apps, you just swipe left and then you can see all the apps you currently have installed on your phone. Again, if you wanted to switch back to the layout which have the home and the app screen, tap on home and app screen and select it and then apply it. And then apps will go back to being on the app drawer as well as on home screen. So guys, that is how you can change the layout on your Galaxy A37 5G. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.